Backstroke routine. Arm circles.
Left a star glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware. You left a scar. I fall into your lies.
3-point backstroke.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me feel it again. Let me feel it.
Switch.
Fall into your
Rotating planks.
I found the rain dripping down your eyes when I'm not around. I found myself, but I fall into your lies. Oh,
Reverse plank plus leg raises.
where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me feel it again. Let me feel it.
Ratchet squats. Now hold your breath while doing leg raises. Stop. The shipping of the stretch bands has taken a little longer than expected due to the world situation. As soon as the stretch bands get here, we will do videos with them. This video is sponsored by RelaxBit. The company agreed to have another giveaway of their most compact version of the massage gun. The winner of the last one went to Slovakia. See how you can participate in the comment section. If you're not tired yet, click here to start a new workout. See you there. Swim fast!